Hi guys, how are you? This is Bubal Sagaraj with you with the smart illuminations. Today we are going to see the software name COOHOM. It's a very simple software for using like 3D designing. So we're going to see the step one. The step one, we are going to see how to create the walls, how to create the rooms, and how to place the windows, doors, and beams, all those things. And I will explain also like how to import the CAD files. We can use the CAD files, how to use the floor plans also. Okay, so just look into the video. So for search floor plan, the search floor plan is about like when you search a floor plan, you can see the floor plans. They already have the embedded files. You can use the embedded files for drawing the buildings, for drawing the floor plans. And for this import CAD, so import CAD tool is used for if you have the CAD files, if you already have any CAD files, you can import the CAD files, you can execute the CAD files, you can work on that files also. Okay, so next we are going to see what like how to create the if you want to place any walls or something, the rooms, divide the rooms, you can use rooms is for the terrace, all those things, you can use that one. And for the whole, the option is for the staircase, all those things you can use. For the upper first floor, second floor, like that, they have the windows or door option, single door, double door, sliding door, they have options. Windows, they have windows, bay windows, French windows, they have options, all those things. Okay, so the step one, we are going to create the rooms. So for the creating the rooms, I'm going to use a tool, wall tool. So select the wall. Okay, so I finished the rooms. So after finishing the rooms, so after that we are going to segregate the rooms like living rooms, restrooms, and bedroom, like that. So again we are going to use a wall tool. For the using the wall tool, I'm just going to place over here for the corridor. So right click, and for the bedroom I am going to segregate over here. Okay, so we are going to use two bedroom rooms. So I'm segregate this one, and for I'm going to give segregate another wall for using for the restroom. So and so we are going to place now kitchen. For the kitchen I'm going to create on one more wall over here. So I'm going to extend this corridor. Okay, so now we finishing the segregate the rooms. Okay, so now we're going to name the rooms like so just select the tree area and go here, and we have the options like bathroom, and just select this room. So now we finished to segregating the rooms by using the tool wall. So now we are going to use door and windows option. So we are going to first place a door. So I am for the entrance I'm going to place double door. For double door I'm going to give that you can flip the doors by using flip tool here. So I'm making the doors open by throwing inside, like. And for here and for the kitchen I'm going to use sliding doors. Give another sliding door for the living room. And for the bedroom I'm going to place single door. The single door, it's like hitting me like inwards. And for the restroom also I am going to place one more door over here, so I am going to use that also inside. Same like that we are going to place one more. Okay, we didn't see about this thing, so I am going. Okay, I'm extending this room because I didn't see about this door. We are going to place a door for here. Okay, I'm going to place a door for second bedroom and flip inside. And for the bathroom I'm going to place one more door. Okay, so now we are going to give windows for the all the rooms. Okay, so for the entrance, for the corridor I am going to give one bay window over here, and for the kitchen I am going to give normal windows. So I'm just give the extend the length of the windows. And for the living room I am going to give over here. Because you can place over here the sofas, all those things. Over here you can place a TV, so it's if you place window over here it's easy for you guys. So here I'm going to place one more window for the bedroom over here. For the restroom I'm going to use some French windows. I'm placing more small here also. Okay, so now we finish placing the doors and windows, all those things. Okay, so now we just look into how it look like in the 3D view. Okay, so just select the 3D view and just look how it's look like. So I'm like give the options over here, walk. So these are the rooms. Okay, so we can see this is a corridor. So we select the here bay window. So bay window is looking like this. So for you guys who don't have the option how it's look like bay windows, these are the bay windows, it look like this. Okay, so if you want the bay windows like length you want to make, you want to adjust, or thickness also you can adjust. Okay, so we forgot to give one more door over here for the entrance. For here we are going to use the door double door, sliding door is good for over here. Whatever doors you guys want to place, you can place the doors. So just now we again click into the 3D view. So now we can see the sliding doors over here. If you want to give the sliding door, if you want to give more length, you can place more length. Okay, so now you can see that entrance, the double door. Okay, so these are the corridor, and this for the living room, this is for the bedroom, and here is on one more bedroom, here is for the kitchen door. So just look into here and just we are going to select. So this is for the bedroom, so we are going to look into bedroom, how it look like in bedroom. Just look into this one. So this is the bedroom and this is for the restroom door. Okay, so today the step 1 we see like, and today and I'm going to explain to how to replace the doors also. So just if you don't like this door type, so just click the material and just here replace. In replace you guys have like a sliding door, they have a lot of options. Like you want the golden type, you can place a golden type, suddenly it will change. Okay, so this is how we will change the material. If you don't like that material, you can change the material as you like in this material catalog. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching my channel, and please subscribe and share and like. Okay, thank you, bye bye.